Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Y9s and the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And guys, you know that the Redmi Note 8 Pro is one of the best phone, one of the best value phone for money right now. And both phones comes with a very good specification. Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with a MediaTek Helio G90T chipset with 6GB RAM, while the Huawei Y9s comes with a high silicon Kirin 710F CPU with a 6GB RAM. And Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with a quad cameras on the back versus a triple cameras on the Y9s. And the main sensor we have on the Redmi Note 8 Pro is a 64 megapixel, which is amazing, while the Y9s comes with a 48 megapixel main sensor. So let's see which one is best for you. And Redmi Note 8 Pro is made up of glass, same as the Huawei Y9s. Both phones comes with a very good build quality. So like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. And logo came up first on the Redmi Note 8 Pro, followed by the Huawei Y9s, and both phones is running on Android 9 Pie. And let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And you can see Redmi Note 8 Pro is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Huawei Y9s now it is also done. And you can see about 4 or 5 second difference here between these devices. And you can see both phones comes with a very beautiful display, full HD IPS LCD display with a water drop notch on the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus a Huawei full view display. And Y9s is a little bit wider than the Redmi Note 8 Pro, and Huawei Y9s comes with a 16 megapixel the pop-up selfie camera, which is a very good feature on the Huawei Y9s because this phone give you ultra full view display. So like always, everything is closed up in the background. And like always, phone dialer, and you can see that feels like a little bit faster on the Huawei Y9s, followed by the Note 8 Pro settings, and that feels like a little bit quicker on the Redmi Note 8 Pro, followed by the Huawei Y9s. So let's see the mic lock on both phones, and that is again faster on the Redmi Note 8 Pro, followed by the Huawei Y9s. So opening up the calendar, that was about the same on both phones. So opening some more application like my files on both phones, and you can see that is faster on the Huawei Y9s, and Redmi Note 8 Pro is also right behind. And you can see, and the system based app opening time, it was quicker on the Redmi Note 8 Pro, and some apps faster on the Huawei Y9s. So opening up the messages application on both phones, here we go, and that seems like a little bit faster on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Opening up the FM radio, that was about the same on both phones. And again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. So launching some games application, and let's see how much a difference between the MediaTek Helio G90T and the Huawei Kirin 710F CPU. So first we have is the Candy Crush Saga, and that is faster on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Definitely MediaTek Helio G90T is faster than the Kirin 710F. And same thing again happened in the Subway Surfer app as well, and you can see definitely faster than the Huawei Y9s. And last, I'm gonna launching the cameras, default camera app on both phones, and that is about the same on both phones, no difference there in the loading speed. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Google Chrome on both phones, same Wi-Fi network. So first website we have is the wikipedia.org, and you can see that is super duper quick on the Huawei Y9s, followed by the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And let's see the scrolling, and in the start I noticed some lags on both phones, but now after some time it is very smooth. And you can see same thing with zooming in and out. And next on the list is the apple.com, and you can see that was about the same on both phones, no difference here in the website loading speed. So let's see the scrolling, and scrolling is very smooth on both phones, and you can see no lag whatsoever. And same thing with zooming in and out. And let's see the important part of this video, the RAM management performance. And both phones comes with a 6GB RAM, so very interesting to see which one is give you the best RAM management performance. and phone dialer no refresh on both phones. Let's see the settings, and that got refresh on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. My clock no refresh on both phones, and let's see the calendar refresh also on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. My files. Let's see the messages that got refresh on the Redmi Note 8 Pro again. And let's see the FM radio that feels like refresh on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. And the Candy Crush Saga also refresh on the Redmi Note 8 Pro for some reason. Very bad RAM management performance on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Same thing again happened with the Subway Surfer. And last we are back to the internet browser, also refresh. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed is really faster on the Redmi Note 8 Pro in game app loading time, but this is system based application speed that is also faster on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. RAM management is very bad on the Redmi Note 8 Pro, but Huawei Y9s give you a very excellent RAM management performance. And I hope the RAM management will improve with some software updates on the Redmi Note 8 Pro, because it is a very good phone with a Helio G93 chipset with a 64 megapixel main camera on the back, and you can see which is a very amazing feature on the Redmi Note 8 Pro, give you a very detailed images as well. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Huawei Y9s and the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.